Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to easily change the page color on Google Sites with a complete 2025 guide. Whether you want a fresh look for your website or a color scheme that matches your brand, this tutorial will walk you through every step. First, open your Google site and navigate to the Themes panel on the right-hand side. Scroll down and click Create Theme under the Custom section. This is where the real magic begins. Give your theme a name that you'll remember, and then click Next to access the color palettes and customization options. Here, you have two choices. You can either select a predefined color palette or click Customize Colors to pick specific colors for different sections of your site, including the background, headers, and buttons. This level of control allows you to perfectly match your site's aesthetic or brand colors. After you've chosen your desired colors and fonts, simply click Create Theme, and your new custom theme will instantly apply to your site. Now your Google site looks unique, professional, and completely tailored to your style. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can give your site a brand new look and feel. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to try it out and experiment with different color combinations to see what works best for you.